while the CDC handed down revised guidance just last Friday on suggesting some schools could go with a reduced 3-foot spacing rule for students in classrooms, districts are still waiting for a definite policy from the state health and education departments. And we just heard from Governor Cuomo this afternoon on his latest update. Ron Plants was listening in on that. He's joining me now live with more on what we learned there. Hi there, Ron.
Hi, Kate. To put it in a word, this is really confusing and a matter of interpretation with all these layers of government. As you pointed out, the federal government with the CDC came out with some guidance on Friday, but now we have this situation where the state health department, the state education department, local county health departments, and local school districts are going to have to figure out what they want to do with spacing. And again, the state appears to be the one that will actually give them the guidance from now on. State officials asked about this policy, as you pointed out this afternoon, during their press conference. And they told us even earlier today with an email we sent to Albany that it's all still being reviewed. They did say that barriers can be used like polycarbonate barriers, that clear plastic sheeting that you can put on desks as dividers, and that possibly could permit 3 feet of spacing for students. But there is still the subject of higher transmission rates, which is what we're told we have here in Erie County, according to our health commissioner, Dr. Burstein, and keeping students together with the same teacher and same cohort groups, as they're called. That happens in elementary grades, but secondary grades can change classes and teachers throughout the day. Here's what the governor and his legal counsel said today.
The CDC CMS guidance of this from 6 to 3, depending on the transmission rate in that school district, is what is being considered now and has not yet been adopted by the state.
Correct, and there are certain other requirements related to cohorting students as well that require students be able to remain cohorted throughout their school day.
On the CDC reduction to 3 feet?
Correct.
So again, that's Beth Garvey, the governor's legal counsel, speaking with him there, and he was talking to her regarding clarification. And she also says there may need to be more modifications from school districts to be able to make sure that they're handling everything properly with this spacing. Governor Cuomo concluded by saying it's not easy. It sounds like it really isn't, Kate. So it appears districts are going to have to wait again for clarification from Albany as they try to figure this whole thing out. Plus, we're also being told there's legal liability for school districts in the mix with this whole thing. We're going to tell you more about that coming up on Channel 2 News at 5 and 6. Reporting live from downtown Buffalo, I'm Ron Plants, Channel 2 News. Kate?
Yeah, we know so many people have questions on this, and we do too still. More to come. Ron, thank you.